What's up, my great people, my kings and my queens? It's your boy, your friend, your guy, Jew Joyner here on Praise Radio. So elated and I'm excited to be connected with you on this beautiful day. It's now time for your sound of success. I want to continue to stay in this vein of having confidence. And because one of the things that happens is confidence can help you boost your effective communication. Because if you walk in a room, people don't know you. Well, some people won't know you. You're on that job interview. They don't know you. But your confidence can speak even before you open up your mouth. The way you walk through the door, the way you shake someone's hand, the way you look someone square in their eye. It shows confidence, and whatever you have to say, people are going to already know that you know what you're talking about. You know what you're doing. Because when you walked in the room, you walked in with an aura that, quite frankly, baby, I got it going on. All right. So as you're striving towards your success, make sure that your communication is on point, verbally and non-verbally. All right. So align yourself to make sure that you are well versed in the area in which you are striving to be successful in. And I guarantee you, greater is coming from that moment. All right. Come on. That's your solid success. Let's get back into the great God music right now on Praise.